physics and math contribute to fair elections, including looking at historical election methods, critiquing the first-past-the-post system, exploring alternatives like Condorcet and Borda systems, and using math and physics to make elections fairer. The report by the Washington Post alleges that a former chief of India's research and analysis wing, along with senior intelligence officials connected to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's inner circle, sanctioned a plot to kill Khalistani activist Gurpatwant Singh Pannun in New York, revealing international coordination and controversy surrounding India's intelligence operations. The National Council for Applied Economic Research predicts India's GDP growth may be higher than expected this year due to a positive monsoon forecast, improved global outlook, and strong domestic indicators. The Ministry of External Affairs summoned the Canadian Deputy High Commissioner to protest pro-Khalistan slogans raised at an event attended by Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. The paradox of thrift explores the counterintuitive idea that increased individual savings might lead to a decrease in overall investment and economic growth. The recent election campaign in India saw a spotlight on social justice issues, with the Congress manifesto and Prime Minister Modi's responses creating a political stir. Concurrently, the Finance Ministry released tax data revealing trends in tax collections, highlighting shifts in the tax burden on different income groups and the changing dynamics of direct and indirect taxes in revenue composition. The recent Supreme Court judgment on voter verifiable paper audit trail in electronic voting machines has its critics who advocate for a more statistically sound audit system to ensure electoral integrity. The recent transition of security responsibility at the Parliament complex in Delhi from the Delhi Police to the Central Industrial Security Force following a security breach in December last year, alongside ongoing refurbishments and preparations for the new Lok Sabha composition. The outbreak of H5N1 with the unsafe conditions at industrial livestock production for more than 10 years now. The Union Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change uploaded the various state expert committee reports on its website earlier in April in compliance with 19 February 2024 Supreme Court order. This interim order was in response to a public interest litigation challenging the constitutionality of the Forest Act Amendment 2023.